Hi folks, this is Rich at Alkar. So you're seriously in the market for a sauna. Options, features, different sizes, different formats. I just want to buy a sauna. Here at Alkar, we're representing the oldest and largest and most innovative company out there, Tilo. They're originating in Sweden. And here at Alkar, we're merchandising their great sauna. They have 9 different models to choose from. They have different options and features that might fit your agenda. We also provide you with the ability to, number one, customize it for your people in your home. So whether it's an individual, maybe it's a couple, maybe you got kids and family, and you need a bigger size, we're gonna provide you with that. So we have both traditional and infrared saunas for your application. Health and wellness is really important in this world, and we here at Alkar take it seriously. We're going to give you the guidance, we're going to give you the education, and we're going to make the experience very enjoyable on picking out a sauna. So with that in mind, whether you're putting this sauna in a bathroom, a basement, maybe a fitness center, maybe you have a bedroom that you'd like to have one in there, we're going to be able to get you all different types of sizes, different features, different formats that are going to work. So whether you're looking for a sauna for just feeling good about it, here at Alkar, we're going to provide you. So come into our store so we can show you exactly how good a sauna will be for your family.